Welcome back. This looks crooked, whatever. I deleted stuff so I have space. Yay. Bra is showing. I'm not standing up. So let's start with this. I'm throwing this in as a freebie because, oh, and don't look at my nails, they look horrid. Because I don't typically make grinders, so this isn't really a pointless creates. I got this for a different purpose, but somebody asked for a grinder, so I'm making, I just sliced my finger. It's making them this grinder. I have the small one, that's the one that they saw, but I was like, I can make you a bigger one. And this isn't full. Ugh. Is this even gonna crush up or something? I love it though. Well, I don't know if you can see the edge there. Yeah, I'm gonna do UV resin and fix that. Probably my favorite thing about UV resin is that I can just do quick fixes with it. But yeah, that's not an advert, by the way. It's just something I thought of. This I just made. I'm experimenting and trying to make different things without a mold. So I'm making my own little, okay, so that did not cure all the way. I knew I should have put that on the bottom. Put this back in. Actually, no, because I can put it upside down and cure it that way. So I can fill it and do it. I'm gonna leave this silicone stopper in there too because it looks like down to the middle it didn't. I don't have any. Oh, that's any napkins. I do. But yeah, so that also needs to go back in the thing. Please be okay, guys. All right, let me take this one out. I don't know why I said that, because this one is usually pretty fun to unmold. You know what? I'm gonna take this one out. Even though it's against my rule, I should always do the hardest one first. But I'm, you know, feeling a bit ignorant, yeah? And these are all the same theme. I don't know if you guys noticed, there are sage pieces in all of these. It was a request from someone. I don't know how I feel about putting the sage pieces in the grinder, but just because I feel like I'm special, I might feel like there's, you know, herbs in there after I take it out. Okay, I gotta go over this again, but I like it. I gotta go over it with some more of the UV resin because it didn't cure under certain parts of this. Is that a hole? That is a hole. Yeah, UV resin, getting up your turn. All right, so I'm gonna pop this out. Does that go through? Yep. Yep. And now, for those of you wondering, how the fuck am I gonna get these out? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm gonna try and see if I can get this one out. They fell, and by the time I noticed that they fell, yeah, it was another story. But, oh, I can make this over and then just discount. Oh my goodness. Discount it, put it on my table. Can this come up through here? Nope. Okay, I can. Ah, drill this out possibly, because this one is completely sealed on the back end. The same with this one. Oh, sweet Mary. And then this one just, and by the time I noticed that they fell, it was already hardening, because I decided I wanted to use a different curing method. This is not what I'm supposed to be doing. The fact that y'all be watching me do this foolishness is absolutely ridiculous, you know? But here we are, all alone in this room. Okay, this side is not that thick, so I might be able to get this one out easier. I talk too soon. Oh no. I said I wasn't supposed to be doing this, and I'm sitting here still doing it, and you're sitting here still watching. So which one of us is really the problem? This is why I don't be having memory on my phone, because I do things like this on camera when I'm supposed to just be doing a quick unmolding. Oi! How about that? I really hope y'all aren't looking at my nails. They are atrocious. I know I keep bringing attention to it, but that's because I keep seeing them. Okay, yeah, that gone. Let me just move this over here. So, and time to struggle with this one. My goodness gracious. But at least the fingernail are not on for this, so it should be easier. See? Oh, yep. Going to need a spot of, actually, I'm gonna do it while it's in this, so it's not so it doesn't stress me out. Show me the man. Okay. Plug this in. Plug it in, plug it in. Is that still a commercial? Alright, and then I need a little bit of that. Alright, I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna take these out while that's doing that. Okay, yeah. Need a smidge of resin. See, and this is my Daddy always said, what the hell? Why is that? I don't know if y'all see this, but like, it's like, that is so weird. Why is it doing that? Is there like some kind of magnet something going on? I don't like this. This is kind of creepy. Very creepy, actually. I don't like that. That was weird. That kind of tripped me out. Just wasted resin trying to show y'all foolery. It's not what I'm supposed to be doing at all. This has turned into something completely different. We're at 12 minutes. Okay, let's get our foolery together. Okay, that didn't cure all the way either, but you know what? We're gonna keep moving because all of this can be done afterwards when I'm done with the unmolding, which is what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm just learning that or rather confirming that I prefer epoxy than to, to UV, because I don't have these problems when I use my epoxy. And it's interesting because I tested to make sure these things wouldn't move before I did the other layer, and they didn't move, but obviously it didn't finish curing. I don't like that. That part nice, of course, clean. Was this a whole portal? Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Just right to yourself. Whatever. Okay, let's just push through. Yep, same thing on this one. A little moist. I am not pleased in the least bit. I was so excited to unmold this, and now I'm here just like, Where are we at? 15 minutes? Okay. I need to stop the foolishness. My hyperfixating. It's like I'm aware I'm doing it. It's like I just can't stop. I'm sure there's medication for that. Anyways, yeah. Yeah. I was about to say, is this the one that came out decent? But no. Also has some wet spots. Moral of the story. Stick to what you know. That's the moral of the story. Stick to what you know, because when I've previously done flowers or any kind of additional whatever, it cures right through. Because I definitely use the UV resin something and let it sit a couple times over just in case, and it was stuck to the silicone before I started pouring, and now there's moisture. So there's that. It's a cute little mold. Okay, so I have more work to do. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you for watching this unmolding. Bye.